Do you want to back up your files into the cloud? Moving them to OneDrive keeps them safe and accessible from anywhere. Let's get started. First of all, open the File Explorer by pressing Windows+E or clicking its icon on your taskbar. Find the OneDrive folder in the sidebar. This is where synced files go. Now simply drag the files or folders that you want to back up into the OneDrive folder. They'll automatically sync to the cloud. And you're done. Your files are now safely stored on OneDrive and accessible across all your devices. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.